Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rada Mainasari. You can call me Rada. I'm a diploma 3 student of Amik Dian Cipta Cendekia. Today I would like to give you step how to make cover a book. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy watching.
Step how to make cover of book.
First, prepare a book and paper cover. Second, put the paper cover under the book. Third, fold the paper cover until the cover front of the book. Then, fold the end of the paper cover so not inside of the book. Finally, the book ready to be used. Finish. See you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.